David, why do you have so many layers on?
So I woke up in the middle of summer to minus 40 degrees.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, because you got a nice fleece blanket.
It's 8 degrees outside.
I don't know what's happening between outside and inside, but there's some funny business going on. We're David and Sarah.
At the end of 2021, we packed up our lavish Aussie lives into 4 suitcases to do a 2-year working holiday in Canada.
The awesome sights and experiences you're about to witness are the result of 2 people prioritising fun, adventure, and each other over financial security, career goals, and social ideals.
If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming adventures.
Who was helping me get out of bed? Good morning from Opal Day Use area in Kananaskis.
What a stunning area. We've got like a little creek flowing behind us, picnic chairs, picnic tables, fire pits. There's no one here.
Sun is just coming up.
It's so quiet. It's just beautiful and it's freezing cold. We were struggling to get out of bed this morning, weren't we?
Yeah, we've currently got about 3 or 4 layers on each, so we're gonna make a little fire and get warm.
Sorry if the video's a little bit fuzzy. It is in the morning, so it might be a bit grainy.
You get that on the big vlogs.
Guys, look how sustainable we are. We've got pizza boxes, Nutri-Grain boxes, paper towel rolls,
Cardboard kindling. What a lovely morning.
so crispy.
If only we had some chairs to sit on. We're just like standing around our fire because we don't have any camp chairs.
And the picnic chairs are like over there and the fire is over there.
That's all good. So we just came back to the van. We are going to make a brekkie feast. You know, the classic Dave's brekkie bagel.
Yep, we sure are. I'm just going to be sitting here.
We are going to make a breakfast.
I would highly recommend Dave's Kitchen, by the way. You guys should check out that restaurant.
No comment.
It's currently in Alberta at the Opal Day Use area. If you can get here in time.
I nearly just hiccuped my esophagus up.
It's still freezing and it's 9:24. So now we're going to try and find a waterfall with no reception on our phone. And we're going to try out our new trekking poles. Shout out to 20 Ute for recommending our
$34.99.
$34.99 at Canadian Tire.
Bit pricey, but cheaper than new hips.
Look at this. No one, oh, except for that guy. No one in these parks. So we are at the Waterfalls trailhead and we're just going to do a little hike, test out our poles, even though it's a 3.5k hike.
I'm really not sure how I feel about these bowls. Feels like a bit of a gimmick, I'm not gonna lie. Check this teepee thing out. I don't know what it is or why it's there, but there's a bunch of like dead trees stacked up in a teepee shape. Should we go in?
Maybe.
It's kind of spooky. There's not much space in here. It's so much bigger from the outside.
Wait, let me get this off.
What?
Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
It's so small in here compared to the outside.
Yeah.
There's enough room to stand up, but it's not a very big floor area.
Look at that. Just found another one.
That one's not quite as cool.
Hey.
Come on, let's go.
Oh my goodness. That is so epic. Another beautiful waterfall on our list covered. My goodness. So this is Troll Falls in Kananaskis.
There's not that much volume of water going over here, but it's such a big span that it looks like and sounds like quite a lot. And I love how the rocks are all properly overhanging like where we're standing. It looks so precarious. It's like cascading the whole way down the mountain.
It's so beautiful, and the moss is like
So green.
Oh my goodness, so this is the upper fall. It goes all the way up and then you can't really see the other bit, but we'll show you.
This place is really magical. I feel like it'd be one of those places that'd be really cool to see in winter as well when everything's freezing over.
I think both waterfalls are definitely a 10 out of 10. So if you can just make it to the lower falls, that's just as pretty. But if you can get up here, it's incredible as well.
Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Alright guys, well we'll see you in the next video. Bye.